Welcome, welcome. Welcome back, everybody. Hey, on February the 16th, Articulate, Articulate, will hold an open heart writing workshop right here in the Boogie Down Bronx. And joining us with all the details, we have our creator and CEO, Anya Nova. Welcome to the show.
Thank you so much for having me.
Yeah, I saw you over there waiting in the wings. You're just like, I can't wait to get on to let everybody know about what I'm up to and what this organization is all about.
Exactly,
So
exactly.
tell us about it.
Okay, so Articulate is a community made for artists by artists. Our mission is to inspire artists to thrive by providing safe spaces and a platform to express, connect, and elevate. So express would be any form of expression. Connect is connecting to yourself and to the community, and then elevate is how we can grow and build together.
Yeah, all right. So what do people get out of the writing? And then you talked about open heart writing.
Yeah, so we host various different types of events. We host workshops, open mics, and showcases.
Oh, you have open mics too?
Yeah, we do.
Do you sing?
I'm not a singer, but I
Wait a
am
minute,
a
we got to
poet.
get you to sing a song. You got poetry for us? Just
I
the one
do.
line, 2 lines.
Okay, so, well, my signature piece is called Taking the Scenic Route, and it starts off...
I love the scenic route.
I know you think it's the wrong way, but I'm taking the long way.
Yeah.
I call it the lone way, the made it on my own way, and it's perfectly okay.
Whoa! Give him a big hand, everybody. That's, see? Short, sweet, to the point. That's what now you're warmed up, right?
Yeah.
You
yeah.
revving your engines now?
Yes. yes.
Good,
So, yeah, I'm personally a spoken word poet. So I wanted to create something for people like myself to express themselves, and people that are new to writing, people that have experience. So the workshop is for any type of writer. You could be a poet, you could be just a writer, you could be a songwriter, and it's meant to open your heart, sharpen your pen, and expand your mind. So all ages, everyone's welcome. It's a free workshop, and it's going down at 989 Home Street in the Bronx.
All right, yeah. I'm just putting the finishing touches on a book myself.
Okay.
It was supposed to be out last week.
So you should join us.
Yeah, I should. I'd love to go to the workshops and find out what people are doing, because you need to know the different styles, and
you
always learn something new.
Yeah, and we will be going around and helping anyone, and you'll have other creatives around you to bounce off ideas. So it's going to be a really good workshop from 12 to 3, 989 Home Street in the Bronx.
There you go. And this will help people express themselves.
Right, right.
Yeah, that was the idea behind the whole thing.
Yes,
You want to get people to come out and help them to express themselves.
Express, and then connect with other creative people, and then we elevate, because...
How long have you been doing this?
We just started in February, actually, or sorry, in November.
In November.
Yeah.
And how did you come up with the idea? What made you want to do this? Because, something sparks people to do certain things.
Well, I've been writing for as long as I can remember, since I was 8, I think, but I didn't have the courage to get on stage or do anything with my writing and until a couple months ago. And I basically was inspired to help people like me and others that might be interested.
So this is like a therapy for you, too.
Yeah, it definitely is.
There was a fright, maybe? Were you frightened to be in front of the
No,
public?
I just never felt like I was good enough. I never felt safe to express myself. So that's kind of what I want.
What a big change. There you go.
Yeah,
live on
most
TV
definitely.
in front of the world.
Yeah, so now I perform on stage. I have a book coming out in March.
Oh, high five.
Yes.
In March.
So,
what's it called?
It's going to be called March 29th, actually. And it's dedicated to my father, who was born on March 29th.
Mine is March the 27th.
Oh, okay.
Why
So
can't we call it March the 27th? No.
So you're Aries, too.
Yeah. So give me a quick synopsis. What's in the book?
It's going to be a lot of poems about, like, dedicated to my dad, a lot of, like, the things that I held in for a long time, a lot of love, life, death,
Oh, this is
circle
going to
of
be
life.
good. All right. So, yeah. So Dad is no longer here.
Yeah, he passed away 3 years ago. So that he's also an inspiration
Dad
for
is
a lot.
here.
But he's here, yeah.
And you're gonna keep him here.
Yeah.
Yeah,
That's
good.
that's the plan.
Yeah.
So that's why I'm dedicating this book to him.
Good, good. And I'm sure it helps you out mentally.
Yeah,
You know,
most
just
definitely.
putting everything out on paper
Yeah, and that's kind of another reason that I created all of this. So
to help other people in the same situations too.
exactly, yeah.
You know, let
'Cause
it
the
flow
first
from the
time I
heart.
performed the poem about my dad, like there were people that were crying in the audience, and I never before that point I never thought that my voice was meaningful, and
Oh, you'd be surprised.
yeah.
Yeah.
So I wanted to help anyone that ever felt like that.
That's good. That's good. So what's next?
We have a series of open mics and different events coming up. We're gonna do like a pop-up, a vendor showcase. We have a lot of exciting things planned.
Yeah.
All of this stuff is on our website and our social media. Yeah.
Well, we thank you so much, Anya. Anya Nova, everybody. Give her a big round of applause.
Thank you.
You step up to the plate and hit some home runs. Good job, and we're
Thank
looking
you.
forward to checking out your new book.
Thank
in
you so
March.
much.
You excited about it?
I'm really excited.
We are.
Yeah.
Yeah. She's the creator and CEO of Articulate. How did you come up with that name before we go?
Because everything starts with art, and articulate is to express yourself to the
Yeah.
world. So.
But you
Yeah.
broke it up. A-R-T.
Yeah. So art is highlighted always.
You're lit.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. Website?
ArticulateNYC.com and all social media at ArticulateNYC.
Anya, thank you so much.
Thank you.
We love you. Thank you.
Thank you.
All right, we'll take a quick break. My man Bobby C's up next with the Sports Roundup. Don't go away. You don't want to miss this. We'll be right back.